Have you ever wondered what Missouri has to offer? Let's take a journey to the heartland of America, where the mighty Mississippi and Missouri rivers converge. This is the land of Missouri, a state steeped in rich history and brimming with diverse landscapes. From the rolling Ozark Mountains to the vibrant city skylines, Missouri is a tapestry of natural beauty and human ingenuity. It's a place where the Midwestern charm meets Southern hospitality, a crossroads where cultures, traditions and flavors intertwine to create an experience that's uniquely Missourian. Here, you'll find a vibrant blend of old and new, historic river towns preserving stories of steamboats and settlers, bustling cities echoing with blues and jazz rhythms, farmlands stretching towards the horizon, a testament to the state's agricultural roots. Missouri is more than just a place on a map. It's a state of mind, a way of life. But what really makes Missouri a must-visit destination are its incredible landmarks. Missouri's landmarks are as diverse as its landscape. Let's embark on an adventure to the must-see landmarks. Each one as unique as the next. Starting in St. Louis, the Gateway Arch reigns supreme, symbolizing the city's role as the gateway to the west during the United States' westward expansion. Towering at 630 feet, it's the tallest man-made monument in the country, a testament to human ingenuity. Next, we journey to Hannibal, the hometown of the legendary Mark Twain. The Mark Twain Boyhood Home and Ant Museum is a time capsule, allowing us to step back into the world that inspired the timeless adventures of Tom Sawyer and Huckleberry Finn. Finally, from vibrant cities to serene countryside, Missouri has it all. On one hand, we have the pulsating energy of Kansas City and St. Louis. These urban hubs are a hive of activity, where modernity meets tradition in a symphony of sights and sounds. The arts scene is thriving, with local and international artists finding inspiration in the city's unique vibe. The music? Oh, the music. It's a rhythm that gets under your skin. A beat that pulses with the heart of the city. On the other hand, we have the tranquil beauty of the Ozarks, a place where time seems to stand still, where you can breathe in the fresh air and let the simplicity of life wash over you. And let's not forget the charm of Missouri's small towns and farming communities, where everyone knows your name and life moves at a gentler pace. And no matter what time of year it is, Missouri's beauty knows no season. Here, every time of year tells a different tale, each with its own charm and splendor. As spring arrives, Missouri becomes a canvas painted with blooming dogwoods. Their soft white and pink blossoms are a spectacle, a herald of the warmer days to come. As the heat of summer takes over, the state springs to life. Families and friends flock to the cool embrace of the Ozark Lakes, their laughter ringing through the balmy air. Then comes the fall, a vibrant orchestra of colors. The leaves don a palette of red, orange, and gold, a fiery spectacle that mirrors the setting sun. Winter, though, is a time of quiet beauty. The holiday light displays in Kansas City and St. Louis transform the cities into twinkling wonderlands, their glow warming the crisp winter nights. This is a diverse land, part of the heartland. This is Missouri, as presented by Genesis Premier Studios. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our great content.